Hi everyone, I am Dr. M.S. Thamboli from Dada Patel Rajare Arts, Science and Commerce College, Adinath Nagar. Dear students, once again I welcome you to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be very useful for all the students of FYBA Optional English who are preparing for their first semester examination. In this video, we are going to focus on the multiple choice questions on the prose section of Initiations, a text prescribed for FYBA optional English students of Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. I am sure that this video will help the students for the preparation of their examination. So friends, let's get started. Here comes your first question. Who is the author of A Lesson My Father Taught Me? Three options. A. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, B. R.K. Narayan, and C. Khushwant Singh. And the correct answer is option A. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 2. Who taught a lesson to Dr. Kalam? Three options. His father, B. His mother, and C. His teacher. And the correct answer is option A. His father. Question number 3. Who was known as Missile Man of India? Three options. A. Homi J. Bhabha, B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and C. Jayant Narlikar. And the correct answer is option B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 4. What was Dr. Kalam known as? Three options. A. Common Man's President, B. India's President, or C. People's President. And the correct answer is option A. Common Man's President. Question number 5. Which highest Indian award was given to Dr. Kalam? Three options are there. A. Padma Bhushan, B. Bharat Ratna, and C. Padma Vibhushan. And the correct answer is option B. Bharat Ratna. Dr. Kalam had received all these three awards, but as Bharat Ratna is the highest Indian award given to an eminent personality, and so the correct answer is B. Bharat Ratna. Question number 6. What lesson did Kalam learn from his father? Three options. A. Work with sincerity, B. Work with integrity and succeed with integrity, and C. Work hard to achieve something. The correct answer is B. Work with integrity and succeed with integrity. Question number 7. Dr. Kalam's father was made the president of which municipal civic body? Three options. Rameswaram, B. Kolkata, and C. Delhi. And the correct answer is A. Rameswaram. Question number 8. Why was Kalam's father made the president of the civic body? Three options. A. On the basis of his nobility of mind, B. On the basis of his community, and C. On the basis of his influence. And correct answer is A. On the basis of his nobility of mind. Question number 9. What was Kalam doing when an unknown person came to meet his father? Three options. Busy in his study, busy in playing, C. Busy in praying. And correct answer is option A. Busy in his study. Question number 10. Where was Kalam's father when the unknown person visited Kalam's house? A. Out of the station, B. Gone for the evening prayer or namaz, or C. Gone to Panchayat office. And the correct answer is B. Gone for the evening prayer or evening namaz. Question number 11. Which sight upset Kalam's father? Three options. The sight of the unknown man, B. The gift of Tambalam left by the unknown man, or C. The loud reading of Kalam. And the correct answer is option B. The gift of Tambalam left by the unknown man. Question number 12. Why did Kalam get thorough beating from his father? The options: A. For accepting the gift from an unknown person. B. For not giving proper reply. C. Without any sound reason. And the correct answer is A. For accepting the gift from an unknown person. Question number 13. What does the incident narrated in a lesson my father taught me highlight? And three options: A. The corruption. B. Virtuous character of Kalam's father. Or C. Angry nature of Kalam's father. And the correct answer is B. Virtuous character of Kalam's father. Question number 14. Who is the author of Toasted English? Three options: Dr. APJ Kalam, B. R.K. Narayan, or C. Sudha Murthy. And the correct answer is option B. R.K. Narayan. Question number 50. Which of the following is R.K. Narayan's famous novel? Three novels are given: The Guide, B. Kuli, or C. Godan. And out of these three, the correct answer is A. The Guide. The other options, they are not written by R.K. Narayan. Question number 16. The term toasted English is used for which type of English? A. American English, B. British English, or C. Indian English. And the correct answer is option A. American English. Question number 17. Toasted English is about the difference between three options: British English and American English, B. British English and Indian English, and C. British English and Australian English. And the correct answer is option A. British English and American English. Question number 18. In America, English is made free from what? Three options: active voice, passive voice, or direct speech. And the correct answer is B. Passive voice. Question number 19. Which imaginary town R.K. Narayan had created for his works? Three options: A. Rameswaram, B. Anandvan, and C. Malgudi. And the correct answer is option C. Malgudi. Question number 20. Which expressions are frequently used in America? A. Yeah, yes. B. Check, fabulous. C. Yes, okay. The correct answer is B. Check, fabulous. Question number 21. Okay, this expression is commonly used in which country? Three options: A. Britain, B. America, and C. Australia. The correct answer is option B. America. Question number 22. Which brand of English R.K. Narayan wants to promote in India? A. American, B. Bharat, and C. British. And the correct answer is B. Bharat, brand of English. Question number 23. Which images does R.K. Narayan use for Swadeshi English? Three options: A. Charka and Dhoti, B. Charka and Tirupati doll, and C. Madras handloom check shirt and Tirupati doll. And the correct answer is option C. Madras handloom check shirt and Tirupati doll. Question number 24. In America, English language used is dash dash British language. Three options: A. Completely different from, B. Same as, and C. A modified form of. And the correct answer is in America, English language use is a modified form of British language. Question number 25. In America, the instructions at public places are dash dash. A. Direct, B. Indirect, or C. Ambiguous. And the correct answer is option A. Direct. Question number 26. In India, instructions or notices for the public are dash dash. A. Informal and direct, B. Simply worded, and C. Long-winded and verbose. And the correct answer is option C. Long-winded and verbose. It means very lengthy. Question number 27. In Toasted English, R.K. Narayan suggests dash dash three options. A. Abolishing English from India. B. Development of Indian English. Or C. Growth of modern Indian languages. And the correct answer is option B. Development of Indian English, that is Bharat brand of English. Question number 28. Who is the author of The Romance of Busy Broker? Three options. A. R.K. Narayan, B. Thomas Hood, and C. O. Henry. And the correct answer to this question is option C. O. Henry. Question number 29. Who is the busy broker in the Romance of a Busy Broker? Three options. Harvey Maxwell, B. James, or C. O. Henry. And the correct answer is option A. Harvey Maxwell. Question number 30. Mr. Maxwell in the story The Romance of Busy Broker is dash dash. Three options. A. Forgetful, B. Arrogant, or C. Confused. And the correct answer is option A. Forgetful. Question number 31. Harvey Maxwell is a busy broker in dash dash city. Three names are given. A. New York, B. London, and C. Paris. And the correct answer is option A. New York. Question number 32. Mr. Maxwell in the story The Romance of Busy Broker is compared to what? A. Machine, B. Computer, or C. Robot. And the correct answer is option A. Machine. Question number 33. What is the name of the secretary of Mr. Harvey Maxwell? Three options. Miss Helen, Miss Leslie, and Miss Sophia. And the correct answer is option B. Miss Leslie. Question number 34. What is the name of the personal clerk of Mr. Harvey Maxwell? A. Mr. Pitcher, B. Mr. Jacob, and C. Mr. Joseph. The correct answer is option A. Mr. Pitcher. 35. Who is described as workaholic in the story The Romance of Busy Broker? A. Mr. Pitcher, B. Mr. Harvey Maxwell, or C. Mr. Joseph. And the correct answer is option B. Mr. Harvey Maxwell. Question number 36. What is meant by the term broker? Three options. A person who trades in shares at the stock market, B. A person who trades in horse trading, or C. A person who trades in international market. The correct answer is option A. A person who trades in shares at the stock market. Question number 37. Who is the author of the story The Open Window? Three options. A. O. Henry, B. Saki, and C. R.K. Narayan. And the correct answer is option B. Saki. 38. Which of the following author is known with pen name Saki? And the correct and three options. A. Hector Munro, then James Kirchhoff, then 3. Walter Mayer. And the correct answer is option A. Hector Munro. Question number 39. Who is the central character in the story The Open Window? Three options. A. Mrs. Stapleton, B. Frampton Nuttall, or C. The Young Lady. And the correct answer is option B. Frampton Nuttall. Question number 40. What did the doctors order Frampton? Three options. A. Exercise every day and don't take rest. B. Take medicines regularly. Or C. To take complete rest from mental excitement and physical exercise. And the correct answer is option C, to take complete rest from mental excitement and physical exercise. Question number 41. According to Niece, the husband and two young brothers were dash dash. A. Alive and well. B. Killed and their bodies buried in a cemetery. And C. Engulfed in a marsh and their bodies never found. And the correct answer is option C, engulfed in a marsh and their bodies never found. Question number 42. What was Frampton Natal treated for? Three options. A. Fever. B. Nerve cure. Or C. Cancer. And the correct answer is option B. Nerve cure. Question number 43. What did Frampton know about Mrs. Stapleton? A. That she was a widower. B. That she was married. C. Only her name and address. And the correct answer is option C. Only her name and address. Question number 44. The window was open because Mrs. Stapleton believed A. Her husband would walk through it. B. It would be very comfortable for her. C. She could see her husband and children. And the correct answer is option A. Her husband would walk through it. Question number 45. With whom Frampton had collided while running away from the house? Three options. A. Cyclist. B. Sapien. Or C. Mrs. Stapleton's husband. And the correct answer is option B. Sapien. Question number 46. The story told by Vera to Mr. Frampton was dash dash. And three options. A. True. B. Prank. And C. Her own experience. And the correct answer is option B. Prank. Prank, which means a trick or joke. Question number 47. When did Mr. Frampton's sister live in that town or country? Three options. A. 3 years ago. B. 4 years ago. And C. 5 years ago. And the correct answer is option B. 4 years ago. And so friends, that's all about multiple choice questions on closed section of your X initiations. So thank you very much for being with me in this part. All the best for your examination and see you again in the next part, which is going to be on the poetry section. So friend, see you soon. Keep distance and wear your mask properly. Thanks.